Digital marketing strategy for new business. If you got a website and no one's checking it out, you're barely getting any traffic, you're not getting the leads, and you're not making any sales, this video is for you. Now, how to get people onto your website is simple, and this video is inspired by a current customer of mine who wanted to increase traffic to their website, and they weren't getting enough hits on their Shopify website. And they said, well, why don't I just move it to Wix, or can you move it to WooCommerce or Magento or BigCommerce? My point is, yes, there could be some technical aspects which will benefit your website, but truthfully, there's 2 billion websites out there, 400 million are active. If I move your website from one platform to another, sure, it might speed it up and it might have a better structure, but how are you really standing out against those hundreds and hundreds of millions of other websites? And in order to stand out, you have to create an online marketing presence. To create your digital marketing plan, first you need to audit yourself and say, what are you currently doing? What do you need help with? And what do you ideally want to be doing? And you can break these activities down by paid and free. So paid, you got pay per click. So this is every time someone sees your advert in the search engines and click on it, you get charged. And it doesn't need to just be at the top of the search engines. You can embed these adverts into display ads, and the ads can be text, video, images. I'm sure you've seen it. Now there's something called SEM. So SEM's very similar, search engine marketing. How it differs from PPC is more, I guess, of an umbrella term. So if you take the analogy of back in the day, you had a Nokia brick phone, okay? And all you did with it was just ring people. And then maybe, a decade and a half later, you've now got a smartphone. And ringing people is still important, but you do other things within that smartphone, to the point you might be watching YouTube or you play games on it. So pay-per-click is still really important, don't get me wrong, but SEM just means you're paying for impressions. So when I run a Facebook ad, I'm just saying to Facebook, I'll pay you if you show my advert to, let's say, 1,000 people. They can click it. They don't need to click it as long as it's within their news feed. Whereas when I pay for Google ads, every time someone clicks it, I get charged a few pounds, which, can be a bit. The SEO, search engine optimization, which breaks down to a few different ways. So I'll describe one or two. So one's on-page SEO. An example of on-page SEO would be, imagine if you had an artificial flowers company and you set up a website and you were writing stuff like, check out my product, it will make your wedding amazing. But you didn't actually say what your product was. Now that would be a mistake. You would have to start your sentence with something like, artificial flowers, roses will make your wedding amazing. So you're getting in your keywords and your long tail keywords, and that's what will push you up higher in the search engines and get you new customers. Off-page SEO can really help. So a good analogy here would be when it comes to backlinks. If you go for a job, they're going to say, well, we don't know who you are. We're going to have to ring for references. With Google doesn't know what your website is, and so they need to seek references. Every time a website has written a blog and they link out to you, so if they put a hyperlink, hey, check out this website for more information, that's a backlink, and that's you vouching for another website. And the more backlinks you get, search engines feel like you're more of a trusted website and they'll push you higher up in the search engines. Reviews are really important to get and respond to. It's social proof, which will help convert people, and also it shows search engines you're actually an active business. Listings are really important. So do you know Yell and directories? If you Google plumber in York, you're not going to find the actual plumber's website. You're just going to find listings and directories. So if you're not in there, you're missing out on a big trick. Social media shouldn't be neglected either. Twitter, Facebook, even TikTok. There's loads of different things depending on your target audience, okay, and what you're selling. But if you build a following, so let's say you were selling, I don't know, t-shirts, and you sent it to someone and they opened it up and they wore it and they took a photo of themselves, a selfie, and they put that up on your Facebook, they become a brand ambassador. So they're promoting your product to their group of friends, to their network, and they're encouraging other people, hey, this is actually what it looks like and it's great. So if you're missing out on social network, which a lot of people still do, they might have, put one tweet on, it didn't go well and they left it, just get back into it. Email marketing. So email marketing gets a bit there's a bit of stigma, like, oh, it's just junk, it's just spam. But if you get someone to consent, and that's important, to your emails, and you offer them coupons, well, if you get a coupon 50% off during the sale, you're more likely to use it. So it's an old tactic, but it really does work. Hi, I'm Simon, a freelance digital marketer. I'm very aware I ran through that very fast. But if you subscribe, I've got all the videos which cover everything I've said in much more detail. And I do guarantee if you were to sit down and follow those steps about social media and SEO and email marketing, you really will see a positive impact on your sales. It will mean a lot to me if you could please like, comment and subscribe on this video. This way I know what videos you like, I get back to all the questions promptly, and we can engage in a conversation. And if you still struggle on something, I can answer it in a text in the forum bit, or I could just make a new video for you. I really hope that helps. Bye.